Actor Akshay Kumar says he and wife Twinkle Khanna are unfazed by the backlash they are receiving over the auction of the costume he wore as an Indian naval officer in Rustam. Akshay last week had announced that the costume of his 2016 film would be auctioned for charity and the proceeds would fund animal rescue and welfare. Taking offense to his description of the costume as the original naval uniform, Twitterati pointed out that his outfit was just a film costume and not the real naval uniform that the couple claimed in their auction post. Twinkle particularly faced severe criticism after a senior army officer wrote on a Facebook page saying that she would get a bloody nose if she auctions the costume in the name of a uniform. At the event, when Akshay was asked about the trolling that his wife was being subjected to, the actor said they were auctioning the costume for a good cause and if anyone had a problem, they cannot do anything about it, he said.
मैंने और मेरी बीवी ने एक कार्य किया है, दिल से किया है और अच्छे कार्य के लिए किया है और ये मेरा फिल्म में अंदर कॉस्ट्यूम था जो यूनिफॉर्म पहना था अंदर और ये किसी अच्छे कार्य के लिए जा रहा है। मुझे नहीं लगता है हमने कोई गलत किया और अगर किसी को बुरा लगे तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं उसके लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता।
And what else did Akshay say further? Let's hear him out as he spoke at the launch of New India Conclave 2018, where he, along with Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, honored rural social activists.
मैं हमेशा ये सोचता हूँ कि गांव क्या होता है। गांव जहां से हम सब कुछ, मतलब मेरे पिताजी गांव से थे। आई एम श्योर यहाँ जितने भी लोग हैं वो गांव से होंगे या उनके पिताजी गांव से होंगे, नहीं होंगे तो उनके पिताजी के पिताजी जरूर गांव से होंगे, जहां से हमें कल्चर मिलता है, हमारी संस्कृति मिलती है। तो मैं सोचता हूं गांव जो है वो हमारा पिता है, शहर जो है वो उनका बेटा है। तो बेटे का काम ये है कि पिता के काम आना, पिता की सेवा करना। तो आज मैं यहां इसलिए हूं क्योंकि मैं पिता की सेवा करना चाहता हूं। साथ में यह भी कहूंगा, आज मैं इतने लोगों से मिला, कहते हैं कि जीनियसेस, मतलब सुना है जीनियसेस कम फ्रॉम सिटीज। मैं समझता हूं जीनियसेस कम फ्रॉम सिटीज बट जीनियसेस also come from villages. And I think more people come from village.
While Akshay spoke about film subjects that appeal to him and also spoke about making a film based on the plight of Indian farmers, a very interesting fact Akshay talked about was planting 111 trees on the birth of a girl child and why it was so important.
Talking to all these fellows, there will be so many other people I'll be talking to, and I'm looking for a nice subject which I can make and talk about it. As I told you, I love the solution of having a girl child when they are born home. घर पे एक बेटी आती है तो 111 पेड़ लगाए जाते हैं. What a solution! What a solution! मैं तो कभी-कभी ये सोचता हूँ कि अगर ये बात पूरे भारत देश में एक हो जाए कि लड़की पैदा हो 111 पेड़ लगेंगे, तो सोचिए आप, हमारे देश में ये जो प्रॉब्लम है पोल्यूशन की, रेन की और ये सब गर्ल चाइल्ड की, मुझे लगता है इनका गांव अगर मैं देखूं तो मुझे लगता है इनके यहाँ बेटी बचाओ नहीं होगा, बेटा बचाओ हो जाएगा एक दिन. तो so I'm looking for different kind of things which I can compile. I'll tell you, it's a very hard way to make a subject which is entertaining as well as pass on the message. It's not an easy job to do that. So I'm still waiting, but I've already got a lovely क्या कहते हैं फिल्म का टाइटल, लखपति किसान.